You're looking at the screen of the fireworks.
The screen.
Oh shit. I love that sound. I wonder if we have that on video. You can stop recording it whenever you want. Just whenever you want to stop recording.
Why do they always use green and red?
Oh, isn't it supposed to be white and blue?
I have no idea.
Hello, we're in America.
Oh my god, it's not Christmas.
It's the 4th of July.
Fuck yeah.
Oh my god.
Right there. Fucking tree. I'm like, what the fuck are you watching?
I think I showed this to my parents, but they're swearing, so never mind.
But yeah. Sorry.
Epic. Oh, I said shit like 5 times.
You just said it again.
The 6, so shit, 7. Snap, crackle, pop, 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 bitches.
Up and roll.
Oh, fucking shit, dude.
Oh snap.
It. Oh, that was
Holy
loud.
Shoot on my face. Boom! Oh snap. Crackle and poop. Oh,
I think that was the highest.
see that one? It was like, oh poop. Oh, you want what you could do? Play it, but turn off the volume.
Yeah. Put one on small volume.
Why is there no volume? I've cooked this shit like 1,000 times.
Oh my god, I can't do it. Because me and Derek said shit.
It's because you're going deaf. Oh my god! That's when you really just fuck with and you like start lipping stuff. You're like, oh my god, what's going on?
You know what you do is that you'd be like, you'd be like
what?
you're going deaf. What? Oh my god, I can't hear.
That's when you just really scream at him. You're going deaf.
It's like, you're going deaf.
Oh my god, that hurt. Faggot.
Don't do it too loud. Just be like, you're going deaf. Make it like you.
You're going deaf.
Cricket. Everyone's probably looking at us. What the fuck?
Yo, get over it. Yo, palo. Yo, fix me a turkey pot pie.
See.
Look at that one.
I'll start doing the moves when they should be there. Ready? Boom!
Oh snap.
Boom!
That one looked like a vagina.
Here you go, the
Boom! Oh my god!
That one was loud.
That hurt my butthole. It's like boom, like my ass hairs, man. Oh, look at it.
Face.
My hand smells like hand.
Does your butt smell like butt?
No, it smells like poop.
Imagine that's what butt smells like.